Welcome to your next step. This is Elon Kane with Digital Money School. Today, we're diving into Notion hacks to track affiliate commissions like a pro. Affiliate marketing is exciting, but tracking your earnings can get messy. Commissions pending here, payouts delayed there, random payments dropping in. That's where Notion comes in. Not to build income directly, but to protect it, track it, and give you peace of mind. Think of Notion as your money command center, a sleek dashboard showing everything you've earned, what's pending, and what's already paid. The best part? It's free. Notion is simple but powerful. A digital notebook transforming into whatever you need: a planner, a dashboard, a money tracker. Don't worry if you're new. You don't need to be techie. If you can type and click, you can use Notion. Notion is a blank canvas helping you organize your income your way. You can get Notion two ways. Search Notion on Google and sign up free, or download the app on iOS or Android. Once inside, make a new page called Affiliate Earnings Tracker. Then add a simple table, program name, pending commissions, paid commissions, payment date. Every time money moves, log it in seconds. Finding Notion is easy. Using it is just filling in a table. Affiliate income is scattered across networks: ClickBank, Impact, CJ, Amazon Associates. Without tracking, you're guessing. With Notion, you see the big picture, no missed payouts, no confusion about pending earnings, no surprises. It's like having your own money dashboard. Notion keeps your affiliate income organized, protected, clear. Set up Notion as your affiliate money tracker today. Check the description for helpful tools and templates to make it easier. This is Elon Kane reminding you, knowledge protects your income, but action multiplies it. Stay consistent. Keep building. And I'll see you in the next video.